Yamabiko Corporation is a manufacturer of Shindaiwa brand products that started its business in 1962 as a manufacturer of electrical chainsaws. Over 50 years of R&D have made Shindaiwa rank number one in the field of industrial machinery within the global market. With 5 decades of extensive effort, Shindaiwa has established 3 core competencies: development capacity, productivity, quality. Japan Technology represents the fusion of these 3 competencies. In other words, Yamabiko's Monozukuri philosophy. Welcome to Yamabiko Corporation. We will take you on a factory tour and show you Japan Technology and our commitment to you, the customer. The first stop is our state-of-the-art turret punch press. This machine punches a variety of holes, shapes, and sizes with micron precision, and all can be accomplished without human assistance. This automated process increases productivity and consistency. The razor cutting edge allows for accuracy even with thicker material, but this process leaves a rough edge that will need attention. The deburring machine is designed to remove the excess materials created in the cutting process. This will create a uniform surface that will help maintain paint quality and is an important step in our product's appearance as well as its anti-rust performance. When a material requires bending, we accomplish this with a press brake machine. This computer-aided machine offers consistency in result no matter the operator that performs the task. Differences in material characteristics can impact the preciseness of the bending angle. Therefore, to ensure proper target value, the bending point is measured one by one. After the press brake machine, every component undergoes a thorough visual inspection. The visual inspection includes checking the bend direction, the number of holes, and their positions. If any defective component is found at this time, it will be filtered out by this quality validation gate. Components that require perfection are robotically welded. An experienced worker can predict thermal distortions and apply intuitive adjustments. Their experience are integrated into the robot, and welding can then be performed in a consistent manner. The generator's fluid spill containment is robotically welded to ensure that it is impervious. There is no room for error. Components with complicated geometry require the work of skilled manual welders. Monitors are placed by each workstation that show work standard manuals. This ensures quality and consistency. Only those components that meet our high-quality standards can move on to the next stage of surface coating. Surface coating is a process that is conducted in-house at Yamabiko. The electrodeposition technology we use will bring about anti-corrosion characteristics that are a feature of Shindaiwa branded products. One advantage of the electrodeposition process is uniformity in thickness on the edges, which conventional paint technology cannot achieve. Electrodeposition will also resolve common vulnerability and rust on edges. All exterior components are powder coated to be colored red or white. 2 layers are applied to give the customers a standard that conventional technology can never achieve. This process also ensures its anti-corrosion properties and improves the overall quality and appearance. This is an example of 2 machines that spent 2 years offshore and is used to illustrate how strong our paint technology is. The Shindaiwa product has less corrosion than our competitor. Shindaiwa generators are manufactured in-house at Yamabiko. The configuration of the rotor will differ depending on its required function. Our design technology is an accumulation of knowledge and experience gained from more than 50 years of R&D history. The rotor is formed by a lamination of thin plates. These laminated plates are bundled together by special welding technology called damper. These dampers absorb waveform distortions and offer a more stable power output. Coil winding in a rotor slot is completely automated and has been done by applying years of knowledge and experience. The tightness, speed, and pitch of the coil windings are fully controlled depending on the model. Maintaining adequate pitch is very important, so the varnish needs to permeate deep into the coil layers. Some rotors are designed with complicated geometric shapes due to specification. This results in an inconsistent coil pitch. The skilled worker is able to adjust the pitch to the preferred one. Then each rotor undergoes a quality inspection. The items inspected include waveform, pressure, and insulation. Rotors that meet the quality standards will move on to the next procedure for varnish application. The purpose of the varnish application is to affix coil layers and reinforce durability against high rotational speeds. The varnish will permeate the entire rotor, giving it a hardness after heat treatment. Our varnish application technologies were established after exhaustive research. Each model has optimal techniques applied depending on their needs. After the varnish is heat treated, an inspection on a rotating balance is conducted on every rotor because its balance will affect the performance of the engine. Red varnish acts as a tropical coating guarding our rotors against damaging effects of water and moisture that cause corrosion. Our generators are exposed to harsh environments such as humidity, high temperatures, sandstorms, and snow. This protective finish on the rotor helps give our product the strength and reliability that we are known for. After the surface coating is applied, the components are then assembled. To maintain quality and consistency, the workers will refer to work standard manuals that are provided on the monitors beside them. Workers keep these manuals up to date on their experiences and findings. This also helps to improve the quality of the product. The tribal knowledge of assembly is given to each generation of worker in order to maintain the consistency of our product. A multi-layered inspection has been established to prevent and eliminate defective product before it reaches the next procedure. A meticulous visual inspection is conducted inside the product. A mechanical test is performed in an environment similar to its actual operating state. The successful product will then undergo an overall appearance inspection. The quality department will double check the product's quality. Products that pass the inspection will then be packed and made ready for shipment. Shindaiwa, manufactured by the Monozukuri philosophy, has been the mainstay behind the growth and development of a variety of industries around the world. Thank you for visiting Yamabiko Corporation today. As you have seen during the tour, production lines are supported by Monozukuri Philosophy Japan Technology, which has been established with over 50 years of R&D history. As a result, the Shindaiwa brand is now ranked number 1 in the world. Our commitment is to offer a product that is value engineered and that is built to stand the test of time.